So now it's time for our tool number 8, and that is Dhamma.ai. So this is how the Dhamma.ai website actually looks like. This is a website that helps you create AI presentations and website and social media posts, more of that stuff with the help of AI. So if you thumb down over here, you will see there are 4 options. Number 1 is the presentation, which you then create over here. It takes just few minutes to create the entire presentation with the help of AI. You then even create social media posts, you then create documents and your website with AI. So if you thumb down right over here, these are the big companies that trust Dhamma.ai. And if you thumb down even more, they have even given different steps. So how you can create presentation, social media post, how you can edit with AI and more of that stuff. So this is more than 50 plus million users who trust in Dhamma.ai and even uses Dhamma.ai. So how you need to get started is simple. You just need to log in or sign up with your account. The pricing is also very simple when it comes to the pricing part. There's 2 pricing options, one for individual and one for the team. So if you thumb down over here, there is a free option which we are doing with the free one, where you get 400 credits at sign up. You get unlimited AI creation. These are the 4 things that you get. You get with that included, you even get simple presentation, documents, website and social and images. You can import from PDF and PPTs. You can export to PDF and PPTs. Create up to 10 charts per prompt. Then the second one is the plus option, and this is close to the pricing, comes under less than $10. If you are someone who is serious in or who is someone in a corporate world, you want to create presentations, website, but in a much more easier format, you can simply go with this website. And even the pricing part, you can choose any pricing based on for what you need, whether it's for a serious work or you just want to play around with this tool, then you should go with the free part or the free option, as I am doing this, as I am doing for it. But if you are someone who is really serious when it comes to creating your presentation, your website or things like that, or you work with a team, a bunch of team, and you need a lot of presentations, you need websites and more, or you run an agency or anything stuff like that, you can just go for the pricing part. It's a very low pricing cost when it comes to the membership and more. It's less than $10, the plus option, and you get 1000 monthly credits. You then remove Dhamma's branding. You can even get advanced AI images and more. So let me sign in first and then I will show you how this tool actually works. So after signing in with this Dhamma.ai tool, this is how it actually looks like. Recently viewed, I have 0 project. That's why I cannot see any project for now. On top over here, you can see there are 360 credits left for me. So in this 360 credits, I have to create something and I will show you how it's gonna happen. You then even upgrade. You need to upgrade for using more AI based stuff. So let's get started with creation of our presentation. So these are the different templates. If you will come down, the standard templates and more, which you then simply do for when you are creating your presentation. You then simply use this template if you want, whether it's for sales and marketing or it's for project collaboration. Now these are the popular templates that you can use for your own need. So let's go to Dhamma first and click on the create new. So we are going to create a brand new presentation with the help of Power Prompt. So what I'm going to do is paste in text. So create from notes and outline. generate, that means this one is create from a one line prompt in few seconds. You can import a URL, you can import a file or a web page and create your stuff. You can even remix your template. So I will click on the generate option where I will create my presentation, just put in some prompts, and that's all I need to do. So let's go for the traditional presentation style. I will get only 10 charts. Over here, the 10 charts is the maximum. As a free user, I will get. So this is in English I want. You can change the language. If you want a presentation in different language, you can even create your web page, document, or your social media post. So I'll go with the presentation and I will show you how this tool actually works like. So let's me describe my presentation. So I will write, I want to create a detailed presentation on how AI is gonna change the world in the next 10 years. So this is my topic of the presentation, and what I am going to do is I will just generate an outline of the presentation, and let's see what happens right now. So this tool is generating the outline of the presentation. So it will take some time, and this is the visual. This is the theme. Which theme do I want to go with first? So there's AI images and more. So now they have given all the details, all the outline based on my presentation. What I want to create a presentation on, I can even add more thoughts, but I cannot do it just because I am only getting 10 charts based on my pricing plans. So I cannot go with it, but still, let's see. You have limited charts, so it's not possible for me to go with more charts. But if you are someone who is using or who is there in the paid plan, you can add more and more charts based on what charts criteria you are getting, what's there in the pricing and plan option. It's up to their content. So what I want, a detailed, extensive, or minimal. So I will go for detailed. Amount of text per chart. It's there per chart. How much text could be there? So based on that, it's given to me. It's given me. So minimal will be few lines. Concise would be a more than minimal. Detailed would be a much more detailed. So let's go for the minimal. Now the visual I need to choose whether I want this one, this light, the black color, this is a Q light and more. Let's go with the chimney dust. You can view more and see more of that stuff. Now image source, whether you want AI images, whether you want stock photos, web images, illustration or animated GIF. So I will go with the AI images. An AI image model. Which model do you want to use? Whether it's Flux, you will not get. This is for the Pro one. But for me, these are all the models. So I will go with this one, the Flux Fast model. Now add extra keyword. It's up to you if you want to add or not. Now I will hit generate and let's wait for a few more moments to see how this tool generates me the entire presentation, and it just took a few minutes or so. I didn't create any presentation of my own, or I didn't use PowerPoint or something. This presentation is writing everything on its own. I just need to put in the proper prompts and you can see how accurate stats and all the images and the detail in this website is doing. whether it's based on the presentation creation. This is so good. Just you can see it on the screen how this website is working and build in my presentation. It looks so good and so true. If you are spending an amount to this, that means if you are given something, that means what I mean to say is, if you are in the pricing plan or in the pricing option, you are taking a plus plan or something, this website would be worth more than that. You can see I'm just using the free plan, and the detail of each and every page, you can see over here how much detail they have given to each and every page. When it comes to the images, font, text, everything is perfect. I don't think so I have to make some edits when it comes to the writing, the fonts, the images, the structure, the way they have put in all the details. It looks so professional. No one can say that this is made with AI. People spend so many hours, where if you are in a corporate job, you can even understand how painful it is to create a presentation, a long detailed presentation, sitting in front of your computer for the whole day and thinking a new way of adding stuff, the draft, the metrics and everything like that, the images and the proper font, the proper image, the styling and more of that stuff. But with this tool, with the help of AI, you can do all of this thing within a few minutes. It would just 10 minutes or so and your presentation is ready. So if I thumb down over here to the setting page, you can see the AI revolution from sci-fi to everyday reality. So all the 3 points are given. The third page, when it comes to the health sector, what is AI doing? The AI will improve in the health sector in the next 10 days. In the next 10 years, the AI prediction has been given over here. When it comes to the economic growth and job evolution, you then see all the metrics: 16% GDP growth and 70% corporate adoption and more of that stuff, technology by 2030. This is all written by AI. I have not given anything. I just gave the topic and done. Things are done all, whether it comes to education, whether it comes to AI assistant, partner, everything in so much detailed AI, in so much detailed information. This website Dhamma.ai has generated me this presentation, and this looks so good, so real, and so, I would say, beautiful when it comes to the presentation styling. This is smart agriculture, resource optimization, climate modeling. When it comes down to over here, the next decade embracing AI promises. So after 10 years, if AI is there, how the world is going to look and more. Point number 1, 2, 3, the future of AI augmented and more. So this is fabulous tool. I would highly recommend you, after watching this video, just go and watch and play around with this tool and you will love this tool. So if I hit on the present option, you can just see how this tool works. So now let's see all the pages, and this is one of the best tool that I can say when it comes to creating a AI based presentation. I have not seen, for now, I have not seen any AI tool that is so accurate, so perfect, and so looks so real when it comes to the AI presentation, creation of the presentation. So what I want you to do right now is, we have end this lecture with this creation of our presentation. You then go with the presentation part, you then go with the web page, whatever you want to create, whether it's a social media post. This is how this tool is going to work. Right now, what I want you to do is complete this lecture, and the next thing that I want you to do is just go sign up with Dhamma.ai and just play around with this tool. Create any presentation of your own choice or create any web page what you want, and just see how this tool works for you. For me, it worked really very well, and for you, based on the topic that you will give, it will going to work the way it worked for me. So just play around, and if you want to know more about this tool, on the right hand side, you can see you can do basic editing when it comes to images, when it comes to font, text, when it comes to smart diagram, charts, graph, if you want to add some videos or media, if you want to add some web pages, if you want to add some forms and buttons, you can simply add it from here. Just because I'm not doing it, because for me it's a perfect presentation the way I wanted it to be. If you want to add more stuff, you want to change the theme of the presentation, click on the theme and edit the theme and it's done. You can share it from directly from here, share the link to your friends and family, to your colleagues, and they would even love this tool. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture.